Very good morning to one and all. Today I am going to explain with the topic of Industrial Internet of Things under the technology upgrade meeting conducted by the Prithvi Shah Engineering College. First of all, I would like to thank the management for giving this great opportunity to provide this kind of virtual seminar through this online platform. First of all, I would like to give some definition or some of the introduction about the industrial Internet of Things. The industrial Internet of Things refers to interconnected sensors, instruments, and other devices networked together with computers' industrial applications, including manufacturing, and energy management. Usually, IIoT it stands for Industrial Internet of Things that initially mainly referred to an industrial framework whereby large number of devices or machines are connected and synchronized through the use of software tools and third platform technologies in a machine to machine and internet of things context. Today IIoT is mainly used in the scope of internet of things applications outside of the consumer space and enterprise IoT market as an umbrella term for applications and use cases across the several industrial sectors. So another way of giving the definition about IIoT is defined as machines, computers, and people enabling intelligent industrial operations using advanced data analytics for transformational business outcomes. Today, IIoT is mainly used in the scope of Internet of Things applications outside of the consumer space and the enterprise IoT market, which is an umbrella term for applications and use cases across the several industrial sectors. So, through this slide, I would like to share the differences among IoT and IIoT concept. IIoT is same like an IoT concept, but it is used in manufacturing sector, supply chain, and management. IIoT involves connecting much larger machines like turbines and airplane engines. Both IoT and IIoT, which will be using data management, connectivity across the various devices and machines, data security, and secure clouds as part of their system. But IIoT is going to handle the massive amount of data when compared with IoT related devices. Next one is the various benefits. What are the things we are going to get through the IIoT? One of the greatest benefits of industrial Internet of Things has been seen with the reduction of the various human errors and manual related errors. That increase in overall efficiency as well as reduction in cost both in terms of money as well as time. So these are the benefits of implementation of IIoT. In addition to that, we can also improve the quality control and maintenance related terms in the industries by the implementation of IIoT concepts. Other key benefits, what are all we are going to get through the IIoT? This was explained here that improving and intelligent connectivity between the various devices or machines. Second one is increasing efficiency, cost cuttings, time savings, and enhanced industrial safety. These are the various benefits we are going to get through IIoT concepts. Through this image, you can have some clarity between the consumer IoT and industrial IoT. Industrial IoT is handling the heavy machineries, transportations, and smart cities, automation, various factories and healthcare. Here, the data flow or data exchange, the amount it will be very much larger when compared with the consumer internet of things. So consumer internet of things, it is related with the variable appliances like wearables, phones, TVs, and various home appliances. So this slide also giving some explanation about differences among IIoT versus IoT. The major thing is that amount of data handling, it is comparatively more with the comparison with the regular or consumer type of IoT. You can see in the next slide, if you are concerned about the normal or regular IoT with IIoT, some terms it is a very common term. It is going to used in both the sectors, but only thing is the amount of data related management, the connectivity and data security and secure cloud. It may be differ, but only thing is the both the terms IoT and IIoT is going to handle the various similar terms like data management, connectivity, data security, and secure cloud. Through this slide, I would like to share my views about IIoT implementation over the period of 5 years span of time. First, consider the first one. If you're concerned about the discrete manufacturing sectors, at the year of 2015, we in the US dollars, in terms of US dollars, they have some around 10 billion US dollars they are going to spend for IIoT concept in the year of 2015. But nowadays, after the year of 5 years duration of time, it has increased to 40 billion US dollars. So that more industries are ready to have this kind of IoT concept within their organizations. In similar way, it has used in transportation and logistics, the various utilities, healthcare, the various process industries, governments, and insurance. Everybody is going to implement this kind of technologies, IoT concept in their own organizations. Through this slide, I would like to share my view about what are the real benefits we are going to get through the implementation of IoT. First thing you can consider, the first point, before implementing IoT, the delivery schedules are based on distances and historical traffic patterns. But if you are enabling that IoT concepts within the industries, we can able to meet some real time adjustment to route and proactive customers alerts of delays based on actual truck location and traffic. Similar way, we can able to improve the maintenance related activity. We can serve the people with a real time, as well as we can make some digital advertisement changes based on demographics of closest shopper. So these are some of the usages or benefits we are going to get through the application or implementation of IoT concepts. So in the next slide also, I would like to share the various benefits starting from digital or connected factory. It has achieved by means of IIoT concept. Similar way, facility management, it is also achieved through the IIoT implementation. Similarly, production flow monitoring, inventory management, plant safety and security, quality control, packaging optimization, logistic and supply chain optimization. So these are the things or benefits we are going to get through the implementation of IoT concepts within the industry or organizations. So with that, I would like to conclude my session about industrial Internet of Things. And finally, I would like to thank the management for giving this great opportunity to provide this kind of virtual seminar through the technology upgrade meeting. Thank you.